We are SMH Robotics.
My name is Kevin Tai. I'm currently the president of SMH Robotics for the year 2012-2013. The theme this year is space. The basic premise for the game this year is that we will construct a robot that's going to travel up and down a space elevator. Now the space elevator is an idea for a way to get objects into space cheaper. So you know recently that the shuttle program was retired. The space elevator hopefully will give us the same capability to get us into space, and at a much cheaper way, because you won't have to use so much rocket fuel to get into the atmosphere.
Hi, my name is Richard Fang, and I'm Vice President of the SMH Robotics Club.
What are you doing as part of the team?
Well, as Vice President, I essentially act as the right-hand man for the President. Basically what he does is he goes around and communicates with the heads, so he gets the general idea and scope of everything. But my job, I go around and I help the specific people. So if someone has questions like, how do I build this? Or what should I use to build this? Or can you help me with this idea I'm trying to develop? That's my job. And then obviously I'll communicate back to the President and help.
My name is Rita and I'm the head of programming. I'm trying to program the robot and the joystick so the thing like the claws and the arms and the lazy Susan will work properly, and so it will make it easier for the drivers to drive the robot. I'm using the Easy C program to program the Cortex. So far I've been using the while and the if-then statements, and especially with the assignments, we figure out some new ways to make the robot more stable than last year.
My name is Madhu Mantravadi and I'm head of mechanics. I think that we'll do pretty well overall in the regional competition, as we always do, because we, as our team, we have good display, we usually have good notebook, good presentation, pretty good robot. So I think we'll do overall pretty well, and I think we may have a better technical knowledge of how we will do things this year than last year, because we had everything, like all the calculations done before we kind of even started. So I think that was nice.
Hi, I'm Brock Staskowitz. I'm head of safety and program manager this year. Well, as head of safety, my goal is to make sure that all the equipment's being used properly to ensure that no one gets hurt, and that we can continue on as a club and have the most fun possible. And with that, it's also teaching new members how to use the tools, so there's never any danger of them using it incorrectly. And as program manager, I'm really, my goal is to manage the whole overall club and its direction in the future and where it's going to be going in the next few years.
This year what we've done is, first of all, we had a safety and tools orientation just the day before kickoff happened. Basically what happened on the day is we got in all of our new recruits, not just freshmen, we also got a couple sophomores, a couple new juniors, and what we essentially did is we taught them how to use the tools that are the drill press, table saw, etc. And we made sure that they can know how to be safe with the tools and whatnot. This year I think we've done a pretty good job of brainstorming, getting out all of our ideas and putting that into a design, getting that out early. As compared to last year, we were a little delayed. I think we'll do really well in the regional competition. Our display is always superb. The notebook is coming together real well, and the robot is almost completed, and we will begin testing today.
We are the future.
We are the future.
We are the future.
We are SMH Robotics.